Before we begin, I will start S17 now for Kibumirs. Let's begin. Oh, my freaking god. Are you a nerd? The Kiboomers, how dare you use the KCFX in your floor is lava clean up like that.
Why did you use the KCSFX? Cause PPL are shocked, crying, and scared cause of you.
We told you use the better KCFX, but you felt lazy and used sound ideas, crowd, cheering, small studio of audience of cheering big cheer, cheering 01.
That means you are a freebie wannabe.
End of call out.